sample from
Marbury.
Vibery lang? Okay. Ready ka na
Handa,
ba?
ready ka na ba, Vibe?
Okay.
Anong request yung kantahin ko, guys?
Say you won't let go. Ito, nag-play. Wait lang. Yo, quiz. Ito.
Vibery!
You lit me up. You made me feel as though I was in love. We danced the night away. We drank till morning. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest. And you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I figured you should get some rest. I knew I loved you then. Should never know.
Ibigay mo jacket mo.
So I played it cool and now I'm scared of letting go. I know I needed you, but I never showed. But I wanna stay with you until we get alone. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go.
O, palakpakan naman tayo, guys!
Vibery!
Vibery! Alright, so ngayon naman si Marco ang magbibigay ng isang kanta para sa mga fans.
Go, baby boy!